Okay, so we cooked with the boiler for 30 minutes and then we let it cool with cool water for 45 minutes. So now it's time to pull the cal tube out. We unhooked the boiler hoses and we got the PEX out of there. That's why you want to have that friendly tab whenever you're using that tape. Even though we siphoned half of it out with the boiler in the air, there's still going to be a lot of water in there. This may be a two-man thing, but we're going to be pulling on this rope. So with this, we got all this water in here. Water weighs about 8 pounds per gallon, and who knows how many gallons are in there, but you're just pulling more and more weight. All right, pull. Do you guys even work out? I think you're there. Okay.